How to share Netflix account with friends. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you're looking to share your Netflix account, you have to remember that Netflix account can only be shared with people living together in one household. Now, this is as per the new changes that Netflix has made. So, if you want to share your account with someone, you simply have to give them the user ID and password. After that, if you think that the viewing preferences of other people might disturb yours, you can create different profiles for that. As you can see, I have created 5 profiles, which is the maximum limit. Now, if you want to add another profile, you first have to delete the current profile. So for that, tap on the edit button at the top right corner of your screen. Then from here, select any profile that you want to delete. Now tap on the delete profile button, which is at the bottom of your screen. After the profile has been deleted, if you want to add another profile, then you simply want to create a new profile. For that, log into your Netflix account. Then from there, tap on the edit icon at the top right corner, then tap on manage profiles option, then tap on the add profile option, enter your friend's name and make sure that your friends log in with the profile so you can log into each specific profile. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.